Sorry, my laptop is a bit slow. Okay, so everyone can see the question, the solution? Can see or not?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, so you can refer the question on your tutorial. Okay, so you are given a matrix A, and then you are given a determinant. Determinant of A is equal to negative 75. Okay, so how you can solve this question, how to find X? Okay, you can use formula of determinant, formula to find determinant. So here your friend use the first row. So actually, if you can choose any row or any column. Any row or any column. So actually you can choose the first column because there is the elements. The elements a lot zero. There are 2 zeros here there. So it's okay. Still, you can use the first row. Then so you use the formula for the the determinant. Okay, then you simplify, and then you will have the quadratic function. Okay, so okay. Okay, so after that, manage. Where is your x? You miss your x. So you solve that quadratic equation. You will have x minus 5 equal to 0. So therefore, x equal to 5. Okay. So far so good. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so
Good, madam.
okay, so for the second question, the question asks for the cofactor and adjoint, and find inverse. So you can draw your big matrix to find cofactor. Okay, make sure plus minus is on the right place. And then after you find your cofactor, so the adjoint is the cofactor transpose. So you need to transpose your cofactor. Okay, then you will have. So you so to transpose row become column, and then you will have your adjoint. And then to find the inverse, you use the formula for inverse 1 over determinant A times adjoint. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, so all other groups, especially the one that the person that do this exercise, did you get the answer correct?
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
Okay. So basically you have the answer at the back, so you can check whether you are right or wrong. Okay. Next, so this is the question number 28. So settle. Okay, next we take a look question okay, we pick 30. Okay, so we need to pick the group for question number 1 because the group having problem. The person having problem. Okay, so I pick for question number 1. Question 28. So this is for question 28. Okay, so can you see group 4, MT15? Can you share solution for 28? Oh, okay. Group 4, MT15?
Wait, wait.
Okay. Okay. So if you try to send, please let me know lah. And everyone, if you have any question regarding the question we discussed today, you can interrupt. You can ask any question. Sofia, kenapa tutup? Buka. Sofia, buka langsir ni. Gelap kakak. Okay. I pick the third. Is that? Okay, I pick the third group. The third group, we share question number 40. Okay, so can you see? Okay, so group 2 is from MT13 is selected. To share question number 40. Do you get that? The group 2, MT13?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so get ready to share. Okay, I pick okay, sorry. The group 2, MT13, you need to share question number 34. Question 34. Question 34. Okay? Okay? Are you okay? Question 34. Group 2, MT13.
Okay, madam.
Okay, 34. Okay, and then
Okay.
I will pick the last group. Question number 40. Ni macam tadi dah. Okay, spin lagi. Okay. Spin lagi. We spin again. Okay, now group 3, MT15, also MT15. Okay, group 3, question number 40. Okay? Group 3, MT15.
Okay, madam.
Okay. Okay, we take a look question number 28. Okay, so this one is good because you copy down the question, so it's really helping. Okay, given the matrices P equal to something and Q equal to something, find P, Q, and hence determine P inverse. Okay, so first you will multiply. Okay, so you multiply by row by column. Row by column. So you will get this. So you will get the answer. So during if you in your assignment, if you have to find the multiplication between two matrices, please include one step before you get the final answer. Do not skip the step because there is mark on that step. Okay, next to find the okay. 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 Okay, this Sophia, sikit boleh? Okay, so this this is we need to discuss about this because okay, walaupun even your answer is right, but your solution cannot be accepted. Because what? Because the question involving hands. Hands means you need to use what you get from PQ to determine P inverse. So here you are not using the information you have from PQ, from P multiplied with Q to find the P inverse. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, madam.
Yes,
Yes, madam.
madam. Yes, madam.
If you kalau nak tanya boleh tanya bahasa Melayu pun boleh. So it's not acceptable because you need to use properties. Instead of adjoint, you need to use properties. So PQ is equal to 3I. So PQ is equal to 3I, and then you multiply both sides with P inverse. Okay, so here P inverse P, you will get identity. So identity Q dapat Q equal to Q. Okay, so 3 P inverse is 3 P inverse lah. Okay, so that from here you will get P inverse equal to 1 over 3Q. So this is how you deduce P inverse from PQ equal to 3I. So so I would like to ask the other teams, do you use these properties, properties inverse for question number 28?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes, madam.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so tak apa. So we learn from mistake. So so you will solve this one. So 1 over 3. So Q is okay, 2 to negative 3 and so on tu lah. 2 to negative 3 and so on. And then you will get your 2 over 3, 2 over 3, negative 1 and so on. So you will get the answer. You will get the answer as given in the tutorial. Okay. So this for your assignment, individual assignment, please take note this matter. If you want to find P inverse, then you have this special relation. So you need to use properties inverse properties inverse. Okay. Okay, boleh? Okay, okay.
Boleh, madam.
Okay, madam.
Okay. Alright, so okay, next. Okay. So the next question asks to rewrite AX equal to B in the form KPX equal to B. So A equal to KP, P is the matrix in A and K is a constant. Okay, determine the value of K, hence find value X, Y and Z. Okay. Okay. Okay, so here you cannot use this method because you need to use P. You need to use P. So here you are not using P at all. You are not using P at all. Okay, so it's actually you need to write K. What is your matrix? 3, 6, 3. So 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 6. Okay, equal to 3 times. So you need to factorize 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 2. Okay, if you compare with your information given. So 1 to 1 and so on to is actually your matrix P. Okay. So this is P, 3P actually. So 3P. So from A, X equal to B, you can convert A to into 3P. 3Px equal to B. Okay, then you can compare. So your K here is actually 3. So it's actually a simple working, but your solution is long. Okay, it's okay. Next time if you have problem, you can ask me whether or not your answer is right or wrong, your method is right or wrong. So this is very important for your individual assignment. Individual assignment, if you confident sangat dengan jawapan awak tanpa without checking betul ke tidak, so habis awak punya markah nanti. Okay, boleh ke semua?
Boleh, madam.
Okay, so the other groups, are you using this working? The one that I showed? Or not? You don't find the key?
Jumpa.
Okay, so ada yang jumpa lah. Okay, so yang lain take note yang ni this one is very important. If okay, so the question asks for K je kan? Determine the value of K, find X, Y, Z. Okay. So when you try to find X, Y, Z, okay, so you next question, you need to form system of linear equation from the above information and write the system of linear equation in the form of matrix equation. Okay, so ni betul lah. Okay. Next, so you settlekan yang nombor 1 dulu, lepas tu baru nombor 2. So ini memang you need this is not the right way lah untuk dapatkan jawapan. So anyone yang ada solution untuk question number 28 ni, question number 28, so please share dekat group so that I can confirm, okay, this method is betul. Siapa-siapa any teams, any groups share satu solution yang okay, yang dapat sampai XYZ using this method. Okay. Next kita tengok group lain pula. Okay, kita tengok group 34. And Sophia. Okay, so for question number 34, the question asks to find AB minus C. Okay, so you multiply lah AB minus C. So you multiply AB first and then you minuskan dengan C. Okay, so ni okay lah. Okay, next the question need to find A. So you need to find A. given that determinant of D is equal to 7. Okay, so you find determinant, you use the formula to find determinant, and then you equal to 7 as given. Okay, then you will get A equal to -4. Okay, next to find the cofactor, to find the adjoint, you need to find the cofactor first. But how you can find the, okay, so you, okay, this one awak cari each, Sofia bagi surat Kak Ali, excuse me. Okay, so continue. Okay, so to find adjoint, you can find cofactor first, and then after you find the cofactor, mana inverse? Okay, you find cofactor and then you find the adjoint. So after you find the adjoint, okay, but the question asks you to find the adjoint, so you need to state your adjoint. Adjoint of D is equal to apa? So kat situ, here you have mark. Okay, then you can determine the inverse. So inverse 1 over determinant D multiply with adjoint. Okay, so so the answer is that. Okay, ada soalan so far?
Tak ada, Mat.
Okay. Alright, next we take a look the question number 40. Can anyone share question number 28? The other group. Okay, so for question number 40, you are given this equation, matrix equation, and then you need to find M and N. Okay, so A you multiply, and then you substitute your matrix A, and then you after you multiply, you adding all the matrix on the left hand side, and then to find M, you can pick any elements. So here you pick -6 minus 2M, 0 equal to 0. Okay, then you will get -3. Okay, so for N, same. You can pick any element, and then you solve the equation, and then you will get N equal to 2. Okay, for the next question, you need to deduce Okay, deduce A power of 3. A power of 3 and A inverse. Okay, so to deduce, okay, you can, okay, make sure you use the equation, the matrix, the equation of matrix given, because the question included use the word deduce, deduce. So mesti start dengan ni, and then you susun. You can get a square equal to 3a minus 2i, and then to get a power of 3, you need to multiply lah a dekat belah kanan tu, a belah kiri dan a belah kanan. So you will get this one, and then substitute lah. You expand a, and then you can substitute your matrix A. Okay, so this is the right way to solve a power of 3. So for A inverse, you need to multiply the equation with A inverse. Okay, so the left hand side you will have A only, and the right hand side you will have 3i minus 2A inverse, and then you rearrange so that A inverse will be only single at the left hand side, and then you substitute the matrix A, and then you will get the inverse. Okay, good. So this is the right method to answer this kind of question. So the rest, the other groups, if you using the other method, saya tahu memang ada yang guna method lain, but the question, the answer is still the same, but the method is not acceptable. Boleh? Yang ni okey, macam ni betul. Okay?
Okay, madam.
Okay, madam.
Okay. So next, okay, tak ada yang 28 tak ada share yang 28. Okay, tak apalah. Okay, so untuk so saya dah share tu, awak boleh, you can tengok balik dekat YouTube untuk tengok macam mana solution ni, untuk awak, for you to study for individual assignment. So please, everyone must have the right solution for these 4 questions. Everyone. Okay, so now I would like to do some activity using quizzes. So please make sure if you are using handphone, you need to install quizzes. Okay, so are you ready? You ready for quizzes?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Okay, so we wait for the fish. Okay. Cepat. macam mana ni? Okay, selalunya.
Divisi lain dia.
Tak, dia bukan lain. Saya punya laptop.
Lambat ni.
Saya punya laptop.
Lost connection tu.
Tak ada. Laptop saya ni slow.
Laptop dia. Problem laptop. Kenapa dengan laptop?
Laptop jenis yang apa? Jenis yang lama kan. Dah keluar balik.
Kau guna PC.
Saya guna laptop. Saya macam not tak boleh. Okay, awak boleh nampak tak game code tu? 058954. Hilang balik. Lah, so quizzes ni saya give as assignment. So okay, so we need to stop here. So my advice for this week, you need to chapter 4 chapter 4 please Salin catatkan assignment individual assignment please tolong siapkan hari Rabu.
Boleh.
Okay, Rabu lah join ni. Tak boleh. Okay, tak apalah. So we can dismiss. Okay, thank you class. Okay ke tak okay? Okay, thank you semua. Alamak.